Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Karama Krew DayZ. First, you will need to launch DayZ and navigate to the server browser. Search for Karama Krew to find the official server. Before joining, make sure all required mods are downloaded and enabled. These mods are typically listed on the server's information page or Discord. Adhering to server rules is crucial for a positive experience for everyone. Once you're in, your immediate goal is survival. Focus on finding food and water. These are critical for staying alive. Look for items in houses, sheds, and other structures. A basic knife or axe can be incredibly useful for opening cans or cutting wood. Always be on the lookout for a weapon, even a simple one, to protect yourself from both players and infected. Crafting is key for long-term survival. If you're looking for a truly interactive online experience with friends, exploring other PlayStation 5 games designed for cooperative play might be a great alternative. There are hundreds of fantastic titles across various genres that offer dedicated online multiplayer modes. These games allow you and your friends to directly team up, compete, and share adventures in real time, providing a different kind of shared fun. Beyond basic survival, Karama Krew DayZ offers deeper gameplay. Consider interacting with other players. You can trade, form alliances, or engage in combat. Exploring the vast map will reveal many hidden areas and valuable loot. Many servers host special events, offering unique challenges and rewards. Joining the Karama Krew community Discord is highly recommended for staying updated and connecting with fellow survivors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.